Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss about your funnels and when you can break them further. First of all, we're not going to discuss about top of funnel because the top of funnel is something that you should always try to break further. We're against consolidation in this channel. We don't want you to just use one ad set in your top of funnel campaigns. So whatever we're going to discuss is going to be about middle of funnel and bottom of funnel. Now, what does it mean? Basically, what is a funnel? Funnel is when somebody is entering, okay, and it's actually becoming a sale or a lead at the end of the journey that we have for them. When we're talking about funnels here, we're talking about the funnel that we have within Facebook. We want them to click on the ad and go to the store and then buy something. This is when they exit the funnel. So the whole point is that when you can break the funnel more, what does this mean? It means that instead of, for example, doing a bottom of funnel campaign of people who view content or added to cart in the last 30 days, excluding the people who purchased in the last 30 days, you can break it further. You can do more ad sets with more audiences to it. So you can do initiate checkout 3 days, initiate checkout 7 days, add to cart 20 days, add to cart 40 days. You can do view content 15 days, view content 30 days. You can do all of these things. When is the right timing though to do it? First of all, one great indication is the frequency. When you're watching your frequency and you are having very good results, but your frequency, like good ROAS, but your frequency is actually 12, you should not break your funnel more, because it means that this ad set, even with this budget that you have right now, it's actually barely keeping up in order to it's actually keeping up more than it should, okay? And it's showing the ad to more people. It means that you need to have more people inside your funnel in order to be able to break it. So the more people you have within your funnel and the more your funnel is working while your frequency is low, that means that you can actually go and you can break your funnel. And how do you do it? You start with one ad set. You see, for example, if you have 5 ROAS and you have frequency of 2, that means that you can break your funnel. If you have 5 ROAS and frequency of 8, you don't break your funnel. You might even lower your budget because you don't want to harass all of your retargeting audience. Another thing to mention here is that you can do this with ABO, and you should do it with ABO. You should not use CBO campaigns when you're breaking your funnel because you don't want these audiences to compete with each other. They can overlap, it's fine, but you don't want them to compete with each other to see which one is going to spend more because this is what CBO is all about. Then we have the situation of middle of funnel. Middle of funnel is always bigger because we have people who engage with your social media, visitors of 180 days, video view, 95% of video views and stuff like that. So in that case, maybe it's easier to start your breaking of your funnel from middle of funnel, which is having bigger audiences, and you can segment them much more easier without having very small audiences. But the ultimate criteria, as I said, it's always the size of the audiences. Also keep in your mind that the more you're breaking your funnel, this ROAS is going to scatter. So for example, if you see 10 ROAS, don't expect to see 10 ROAS in 5 ad sets. When you're watching 10 ROAS in one ad set, expect to see 6 ROAS among 4 ad sets. But still it's better because it's more revenue for the company. So this is what you need to calculate. When is the right time for me to break it down based on the things that I told you also, in order for me not to lose money? Because at the end of the day, you might have a very high profitability, but you might not have the volume that you want. And the more you spend also in your top of funnel, the more you need to break down your bottom and middle of funnel in order for you to be able to actually retarget all of these people that you are targeting with your high spend top of funnel. That's all I had for you. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.